So much is happening. With so much pulse-pounding action and political machinations, it keeps us mesmerized.
Best book in the series. This book was so good. Pirate Abba is a long-form storytelling prodigy, and we just happen to be lucky enough to be alive while she is writing it. The characters and plotting are unreal. This book has multiple builds, all of which are epic. Can't recommend strongly enough.
This book, however, is action-packed and had me laughing and crying.
Excellent entry. I really enjoyed the Titans game, Ryoka's run, and Eren in politics. I am always left wanting more, but this story arc is developing nicely. Parsno is an artist with her performance.
This is the best lit RPG written. Cannot wait until the next book on Amazon. And the narrator, Andrea Parsno, is an amazing talent.
The more you read and invest in the characters, the better it gets. I've been reading sci-fi fantasy for over 40 years, and in my opinion, this is a great series.
Another masterpiece.
Best game of hide and seek ever. I love these characters and Pirate Abba's style of writing.
So many fabulous moments. I need more. More!
Another action-packed entry. Great storytelling as usual.